car show right now.
As soon as the first one get... Oh, they gonna get there.
We relocated to another spot. They coming in deepy. For what, bro?
No, everybody leaving. They going down. And they going down some more. You gonna send me the location for some bullshit? Nigga, how? They going down some more. Hey, you here? They going down. But you just sent me the location. You sent me at a damn hotel. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. I sent you my location. Hey, that's a real asset.
Yeah. They still coming in relocation.
Hey, what happened?
Hey, what you doing over there, bro? No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing, bro.
Hey, what happened? Yeah, he said some dude take it out this lot. I'm back in your car, we go.
They call it Cappy Dabbies.
I'ma turn up on the hater every
My
chance
boy
that I
was
get.
cold with the raps. You see, he just redid this. Yes, sir.
What you gonna do with your phone? I'm finna do it tomorrow. That's what I'm saying. Oh, yeah. I drove this bitch grass. Bro, I was scared my mother let me come out.
It's a whole bunch of cars. Fonzo! When Fonzo get here?
That bitch didn't wild.
When Fonzo get here?
That was a red eye, boy. That bitch didn't have no video. That was real. He hit the gas. He hit the
He got it.
Hey, where your pops at? He in Tennessee? Yes, yeah. Oh shit, where your brother at? He's somewhere around. He here though? That's how that bitch supposed to sound. You hear that bitch? Hit the gas a little bit. Let me hear a real cat. Oh, I thought it was a cat. Oh, okay, that's it.
That must sound like a scat. We finna get locked in this thing.
This where the fuck I was on my way to. He said he's finna get popped. I was on my way to him when I got. Y'all saw the other accident just happened? No, y'all ain't see it. Oh, it was an accident.
What happened? What happened?
It was an accident. Just happened. Police.
Oh, you was going with him, bro?
Now
Yo, we're going to the crib. Why? They out here running the car game up, man. You feel me? There's more coming to the cars. You feel me? See that thing? Flicking that thing. Got the game strong tonight, but hey, we in it though. You know what I'm saying? We coming strong with it.
The wheels off that bitch.
He burnt the wheels off the Willy Billies off that car.
Oh, that was him? Yeah, he smoked that bitch out one time.
He smoked that Willy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hey.
Damn, that nigga. Clear quality.
We out here. We out here, Q. We out here, gang. Hey, don't rock with Q though. He said he finna go to the crib. He finna go to the crib, gang. We can't.
I was just saying, I don't feel like.
What time y'all be up, gang?
4.
Ah, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool, gang. Where you going, Cuddy? That's that hockey donkey.
Sliding. Man, he ain't gonna get us. Bro, I'm sliding. Indiana, like I go every fucking.
Indiana for what?
Listen, I know I go
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Man,
Early morning, boy.
We ain't going on fishing
Hey,
game.
y'all not going. Y'all know
We're not going on fishing game. Where you going? They coming through. Dino probably was right. Them the jump out boys?
No. They're just a regular.
Dino probably was right though.
Shoulda. On both, but shit, what we gonna go over there?
Q just left. That's one. Look at that right there, M4. Them bad boys get up out of there.
But yeah, the where we gonna go though? We go over there.
Yeah, true. Everybody going over there now. Yo.
She blowing kisses.
So YouTube, we back. We at the crib right now. You know, everything got shut down tonight. Hope y'all like the footage. Subscribe, you know, like, comment.
All right, bro. Who going first, man?
Shit, it don't matter to me.
Oh, fuck it. Let's rock, paper, scissors for it then.
What's good?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Shit. It's time to get it, swear it's no break time. Money sitting like a FaceTime. Fuck him up, kill the shit baseline. Tell your mans he could take 5. On the road when it's crunch time. Gotta pay a stack for these punchline. Sacrifice on the front line. This is about business, I can make time. I ain't no regular degular. Them niggas hating my music ahead of them. Money stay all on my schedule. Stand on my business, this shit can get tactical. I'm not the one that's approachable. 1 hit, 2 down, need medical. Spit a nigga like a sectional. He done turn into a vegetable. Now tell the truth, how many